And you are looking at one of the most unshakable superstars on the roster.
Absolutely a picture of resilience. He's been through ups and downs, but has never given up the fight.
Bitter perseverance is what will make him such a threat in this matchup.
But he'll be facing off against someone who is trying to shut down all the naysayers. Someone ready to claim a spot at the top of our business.
Oh, target acquired and destroyed. Big forearm.
He knew that was coming. Big overhand.
He's been placed in the corner now.
Oh, jaw-shattering.
Oh, I got right to the gut.
And proving a bit slippery for them there.
Paying it right back with a reversal. Check your face after that one. Kick to the gut.
Firm control. Oh, foot, meet face.
Just breaking down the opponent. Ooh, well measured.
Both wrists captured, and
that was nasty.
He's looking a little off balance.
It's nothing he hasn't been through before.
Good punch. Nasty. He's returning fire.
Ooh, harsh kick.
Got it scouted.
Ooh, effective body blow.
On the move.
Picking up speed.
Ring-shaking splash.
Sent into the corner.
Uh-oh. Lifted and going corner to corner. And again.
This superstar is striking in every way possible.
Oh, no.
Oh, not to the belly.
Check this out. Just deadlifted up into a power bomb.
And the exclamation point.
No.
Oh, man! Slingshot DDT off the apron. The sound of this crowd is deafening, and he's asking for more.
I don't know if this is a show of confidence or a wasted opportunity to attack your opponent. And here we go. Whoa, this is surprising, Byron.
Yeah, I'm not really sure why he would let him out right there.
Shifts it back onto him.
Both superstars showing great awareness of their opponent's repertoire. Locks in the gut wrench.
Suplex.
Oh my goodness. Ring-shaking powerbomb.
Oh, look at the power.
Not finished yet.
What the leg? Look at this. He just tossed the leg.
He may be in a bad way here.
Not a bad place to be in, but the longer this goes, the more trouble a superstar exposes themselves to.
Ah, kick right to the face.
He eludes the contact. A display of force. Look at this. Incredible. The deadlift German suplex. Ooh, running knee strike. I am afraid of what we are about to see!
Oh! DDT off the apron! Getting back into the ring.
My goodness! Barely keep up with all these strikes!
Looks like he has the upper hand now.
Yeah, this can't be how he pictured this fight going.
Ah, look at this.
Oh, that can dislocate something.
With the counter.
Chicken wing, underhook, half and half suplex.
Gosh!
He turns it around.
He's open to start a rush of his own with that attack.
Reversal. What a counter. Oh, an overhead kick. And now he's on the downside.
Yeah, he has to devise some kind of new strategy here.
There he goes, right into the corner. Makes him pay with a counter. Able to counter. Oh, by the hair, whipped across the ring.
That ain't right. Overhead, belly to belly.
He takes control.
Whoa!
Monsterplex.
Look out!
Oh, from the top. Now that'll do some serious damage.
Power bomb!
And the exclamation point.
Turn out the lights.
Oh, an overhead kick. Great counter, impressive ring IQ on display there. Oh, he knew what was coming.
Super kick!
And he's just having his way in this match.
He's got to wake up and get in the fight. Desperate attempt here to get back on his feet.
Fails to connect on the springboard. Fireman's carry. Big slam. Oh, ouch.
And the electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins.
Stomping down.
Pulls the trigger. Bang! What a knee.
And the unabated offense continues.
Yeah, he's got to surmount this storm coming at him.
Saw that one coming. Took advantage.
Quick exchange of counters there. These two showing how well scouted they each are. Bang it back with their own counter. A barrage.
He's got the answer for that one.
Could be what he needed to ignite a rally.
Super kick!
And now he's producing some overwhelming offense.
Yeah, he has to pull out some form of offense here.
Not gonna be good. White noise.
Big opportunity for him now.
He's got the target acquired. Just a matter of moments.
Perched up top.
Diving blockbuster. Look at this. Incredible. The deadlift German suplex. Look at him totally vibing with the WWE Universe right now.
He's doing a whole lot of gesturing, and it could cost him.
He's getting up, but there's danger in front of him.
Dodges.
Caught square by the haymaker.
The fight is being brought right to him, keeping the pressure on. Knew what was coming there.
Good chance for him to regain his wits. Now is the time to find that second win. Find that rush of adrenaline to push you forward.
Headbutt. Nothing fancy there. Super kick. Gosh. And the assault to that area continues.
Sustaining the attack above the neck region.
Put into the corner now.
Oh, my goodness.
The WWE Universe is pouring more fuel on his fire right now.
Not gonna be good. White noise.
Warm up the buses. This one's over.
I think the crowd knows what we're about to see. Side slam. All he has to do is capitalize.
And misses on the springboard.
Firm control.
Oh, geez. Nasty kick to the face. Great reversal. Oh, God, that hurt. Got him set up in the corner of the ring.
He's able to sidestep there.
Through the clothesline. Good God, man.
Jeez Louise. This superstar mowing their opponent. Look at this, from corner to corner.
And again.
Go behind.
German.
9.
Slam. If that's not it, I don't know what is.
Look at it. Crashing down.
Meet him at the pay window.
2 count. He manages to kick out. What strength.
What? What do you say? This is amazing.
What a match.
And the heaviest hitter in the arsenal was not enough.
Oh.
Trifecta. For good measure.
Off the rope. Oh, and a springboard roundhouse. Not gonna be good. White noise.
That's got to end it this time around.
Something's about to go either very wrong or very right.
From the top. Oh, my goodness.
Looking for the victory. And he kicks out of the pin and 1.
He refuses to stay down.
Pure instinct.
Boom, what impact. And you have a feeling now that this match has just turned a chapter.
I mean, this is a very dangerous situation. It could just take one more hit up there for a knockout.
Man, this place is jumping. Cover! On the ropes, referee breaks the count. Left by the turnbuckles. Things went from bad to worse.
Ducking out of trouble.
Counter after counter.
Oof, gut punch. Nasty. Right into the shoulder. That's gotta hurt. Able to reverse that one.
And responds with a counter of their own.
Look at this display of power. Overhead, belly to belly.
Hits him with the counter.
And another counter.
Body buster. Big boot.
Bossman slam.
Yet another big move, guys.
What a kick out. I don't believe it.
I am shaking my head in disbelief over how he managed to get the shoulder up.
It is unreal that this match is still going on after a maneuver that would end most matches. And again! And he's just picking him apart now.
Yeah, he's fulfilling his game plan to the T.
Deep six! Sling blade. Followed up with a
Basement drop kick. And the electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins.
had that well scouted.
Backbreaker.
Big boot. Uh-oh, headbutt. Nothing fancy there. He deflects it right back.
Another big move.
Oh, what a slam. Landed him.
See ya. Definitely.
Yes, able to survive and pull through.
Here is your winner, The Outlaw.
I can't imagine being able to celebrate, let alone stand, after a match like that.
The wherewithal displayed in this match cannot be undersold. They were pushed to the limit, and they still came out on top.